subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei has launched two new smartphones under Nova series in China called Huawei Nova 10 and Nova 10 Pro. Both of these devices looks quite identical but are different in terms of specifications, and among these two, the Huawei Nova 10 Pro is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Nova 10 Pro features a tall 6.78-inch Full HD Plus Curved OLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 300Hz touch sampling rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 778G chipset, paired with Adreno 642L GPU, and unfortunately, the company haven't listed the RAM size of this phone, but it is said to have 128 or 256GB of onboard storage. In terms of camera, the Huawei Nova 10 Pro supports a triple camera setup in an elliptical model at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with a f1.8 aperture, plus 8MP ultra-wide plus macro lens with 112° field of view and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has dual camera setup at the top left corner that houses a 60MP ultra-wide angle lens plus 8MP portrait lens, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 100W fast charging, and it runs on Harmony OS 2.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.24 by 74.45 by 7.88mm and it weighs around 491 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Huawei Nova 10 Pro has been priced in China for 128GB storage variant at 3,699 Chinese yuan, while the 256GB storage model is priced at 3,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from July 8th in black, green, silver and violet color options. So what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova 10 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.